Welcome once again to Sim Action Cars Review channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, press the bell button and also, comment down below. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the 2023 MG Marvel R SUV, so catch a sit, and I'll tell you everything you need to know about this car. The MG Marvel R, which is a substitution for the MG Marvel X, is supposed to get a replacement with an alternate name in a few years. Fellow Pigonakis, business chief, MG Engine UK, has uncovered, according to an Auto Express report dated August 30, 2022. Under the Mission 100 technique declared in 2020, MG intends to extend its presence to north of 100 business sectors overall by 2024 and target more youthful purchasers with associated vehicles. As per the 1 Million Deals Achievement Declaration dated July 15, 2022, the organization is as of now present in 84 nations. As per a prior report from the Determined Australia, the MG Marvel R replacement will be made in a right-hand drive, RHD, setup so MG can think about it for a large number of business sectors. The distribution reports that MG Australia and New Zealand chief Peter Chow said during a web-based occasion on November 24, 2021, that the MG Marvel R replacement will send off in Australia. According to a report on stuff.co.nz, the RHD spec MG Marvel R replacement would likewise be up for thought for New Zealand. SAIC sent off the MG Marvel R in Europe in October 2021. With costs beginning at €43,420 in Germany, the Wonder R goes facing the VW ID.4 and the Skoda Enyaq iV. The MG Marvel R is accessible with 15 high-level driver help frameworks under MG Pilot. These incorporate fundamental elements like versatile voyage control, savvy high shaft control, and sleepiness cautioning framework and the further developed gridlock help, path keep help, back traffic alarm, and vulnerable side checking. SAIC has restricted with Luminar to source LiDAR and parts of its Sentinel programming framework for its FIFAN Auto Innovation Organization's R image vehicles. The ongoing Marvel R is initially a Rowe brand model in China, however it comes to Europe with the MG identification. While there is no affirmation, SAIC's new organization ought to prompt the Marvel R replacement pressing a setup of cutting-edge ADAS highlights, like semi-independent driving capabilities on interstates. The MG Marvel R replacement ought to be founded on SAIC's new Measured Adaptable Stage, MSP, that supports the MG4 EV, MG4 Electric. MSP is a committed EV stage, and being reasonable for models with different body styles and wheelbases going from 2,560 to 3,100 mm, it is very adaptable. It prompts more inside space inside similar outside aspects. One more piece of innovation in the MG Marvel R replacement will probably be SAIC's one-pack battery that offers zero warm out-of-control security assurance, super lengthy life, and super high coordination. This battery comprises of the business most slender cells estimating only 110 mm in level, because of their even plan. This might permit a lower rooftop without influencing the headroom, giving the vehicle sportier styling and more streamlined productivity. Hypothetically, it's feasible to offer a battery pack limit of up to 150 kWh with the one-pack plan idea. Besides, battery trading is conceivable, permitting clients to supplant their EV's more modest battery load with a bigger unit. While the battery limit is not entirely set in stone, the Marvel R replacement ought to have a WLTP scope of more than 500 km, 311 miles. MG could be arranging an alphanumeric marking for its lead SUV. The enhanced one will not be called Marvel R, however, Pigonakis said. MG at present retails in 26 European nations, including Norway, Sweden, Spain, Portugal, France, Germany, and the UK. While deals in the UK incorporate inside ignition-engined and jolted vehicles, MG models sold in the EU markets are electric just, or PHEV on account of the MG EHACE. In Central Area Europe, MG sold 7,200 vehicles in 2020 and significantly increased yearly deals to 21,946 vehicles in 2021. Counting the UK, the net European marketing projection in 2021 was 52,546 units. UK, France, Sweden, Germany, and Norway were the greatest business sectors, representing 58.2%, 21.8%, 21.5%, 14.5%, and 13.8% of the yearly deals, individually. With the Marvel R Electric sent off in October 2021, the new ZS EV sent off in November 2021, and the MG5 EV continuing in WALK 2022, the complete deals in 2022 could be their most elevated. Truth be told, Matt Lay, previous president, MG Engine Europe, has said that MG's European deals ought to significantly increase again this year. MG has opened no less than 400 deals and administration outlets in the district inside only year and a half. In Q1 2022, MG sold 22,135 vehicles in Europe. With a 158% development over Q1 2021, 8,580 units, that was all there was to it best quarter around then. The organization hasn't revealed the marketing projections for the second and third quarters of 2022. Nonetheless, with the Q1 2022 deals alone higher than the yearly 2021 deals, it's sure that 2022 will be a far superior year in general. A portion of the local RHD showcases that hold potential for MG EVs this decade incorporate Scotland, Ireland, Guernsey, Jersey, and Malta. MG is attempting to imitate comparable outcome in Australia and New Zealand, where it sells energized vehicles, MG ZS EV and MG HS PHEV, notwithstanding burning vehicles. MG's ZS burning vehicle previously broke into Australia's main 10 deals entertainer for a considerable length of time in 2021, with triple-digit development. To help EV numbers in Australia and New Zealand, MG will initially start tending to Australia's fatal flaw, absence of EV framework. As per the Electric Vehicle Board, Australia simply has 3,000 chargers the nation over, contrasted with the USA's 45,000 freely accessible chargers, which itself is reprimanded for not being sufficient. MG reported it would surrender to 3,000 chargers to 1,000 lodgings and resorts around Australia. These are AC 7 kW single-stage or 11 kW 3-stage with Type 2 attachments to be utilized by any EV, not simply MGs. After it is fruitful in Australia, we will begin it in New Zealand right away, MG Engines Item Chief Danny Lenardic said in a meeting with stuff.co.nz. MG sent off the facelift ZS EV in Australia and NZ in September 2022. The electric MG5 cart isn't considered for business sectors down under, as MG's attention is on electric SUVs like the MG Marvel R replacement. The MG Marvel R replacement will probably be an essentially further developed model than the model it replaces, mostly due to the secluded versatile stage, MSP, and the one-pack battery. Expected to convey a WLTP scope of north of 500 kilometers, 311 miles, and cost lesser than the VW ID.4 and Skoda Enyaq iV, the new model will probably introduce an incredible incentive for electric minimal SUV clients. I'm glad that you now fully understand this vehicle. Would you kindly do me the favor of subscribing to this channel and pressing the notification bell button so that you are notified as soon as we upload another video like this? Thank you.